It's hectic. But I think it's PGDM, so it have to be hectic.
And basically they also refer us to the best companies they are getting in, and also we have the separate training department for the students and for the mock interviews.
Getting the industrial visit more than the MBA department or any other department, we are getting some sort of privilege. Actually, we are getting that. I will be honest. So that is helping us.
So hello guys, once welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prabh Tiwari and you guys are watching my YouTube channel. So guys, right now we are in Lloyd College and we are with the students of PGDM. So we will be discussing about their experience in Lloyd and everything about Lloyd. So let's get started. So guys, please start with your intro.
Okay. My name is Ayush Panjwani.
My name is Shivanshi Shukla.
You are also in second trimester.
Yeah, I'm also in second trimester.
Okay. So let's discuss about student intake. Like कितने बच्चे हैं यहाँ पे Lloyd में, like in your classrooms or the total intake?
The total intake is of 180 students in PGDM batch particularly, and we are having something about 40 students in my specialization. We are having HRM and a finance student in my class, and he's having, I think,
So basically whole PGDM is divided into 5 specialization. The one is core specialization for the students, those who are not sure about their core specialization in the first year.
Okay.
And the majority of the students of 24-26 batch are in core. Then we have HR specialization, then we have BA specialization, supply management and entrepreneurship. So there are total in 5 specialization.
Okay. So guys, Lloyd doesn't offer any certification programs, like बहुत सारे बच्चे भी compare करते हैं college on basis of certifications, like other college providing 5 certification, someone is providing 8 certification. So what about Lloyd? How many certifications you guys are getting in your course?
So obviously Lloyd is also providing many certification of different courses such as finance certification, and also we have different and a new Invest India lab in our Lloyd Business School. Plus you will also get certifications of IBM. Even if you are not the part of BA specialization, then also you can get the BA specialization. Plus you have different languages specialization, and there are many specializations and the
Anything you want to add
certifications.
on? Anything you want to add?
actually, I'm from specialization, so my certification courses are related to my specialization only, and there are something 15 certification
Oh, nice.
courses. We can do whatever we wanted to, or if we can do all of them even if we wanted to. Other than that, teachers are suggesting us some other courses
Other-
also,
apart
and
from
they
the
are
courses.
helping us in all the scenarios. And yeah, we are having certification courses also, and the clubs are also helping us to
Get some certificates.
just get some
Okay.
certificates and participate. I'm in ECEL club, and these people are just always telling us that this participation is going on, this competition is
Just
held.
participate and get your certificate. I got
And
it.
even in different colleges, we are encouraged to just go and participate. So yeah, we are having so many.
Okay. What about facilities? Like any specific facility that Lloyd is providing to you guys that will help you in your career?
First of all, I would like to talk about the mentorship program.
Okay.
I really
Please
love the
elaborate.
mentorship program of Lloyd because teachers are so they are like family to us. They
Such a
are
nice
with
thing.
us. Yeah, this is the best thing we can get because we are just not with our family right now. So they
Yes.
are like family
You are
to
from?
us. I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh. Oh.
Yeah. So our teachers are there to help us, and even the mentorship program, we are having some corporate mentors also. As I'm from specialization, so I will be assigned some corporate mentors who will help me in my placement and things, and the things I will be like. Maybe I will have if I will have any issue in my job or on that
will
time.
talk to the mentor.
So yeah, there will be mentor, and we are having so many facilities. Our classrooms are very good. I think गर्मियों में AC अच्छा है. I can include those of
Very
course.
important point है यार ये.
Very.
Greater Noida की गर्मी guys.
Yeah.
You can't tolerate without AC.
So we are having all the facilities, industrial visits. हमें obviously हमें 3 से 4 industrial visits already we have done that. And
Okay,
there are
so
many
let's
other-
discuss about industrial visit. Like how many visits you get in your trimester?
Like in first trimester we had 2 industrial visits, one of Coca-Cola and second was of, and right now also in second trimester also we have
Mother
already
Dairy,
visited
yes.
one company, Amul.
Yeah. Amul is on.
So we get industry exposure, and especially for the supply management students to get to know about how companies are producing their goods, how they are supplying locally and maybe in the
So you
other
guys
cities.
participated in the work or you guys just went and visit the thing?
No,
We have visited that and we know how the process is doing there and what are the things happening there. Although we are having the opportunities that we can volunteer them and we can just talk to them about the things. So, just like that.
Okay, so let's talk about internship. Like how you guys get internship? Is it provided from the Lord, and you guys are getting paid in the internship, like it's stipend based or?
Yeah. So internships are, it is sure that each and every student who wanted to have an internship will get internship from Lloyd itself. And some of them are paid, all of them are not.
No.
But still, while talking to my seniors, I have analyzed that even if a person is not getting the stipend, they are getting some amount.
Okay.
It is based on their work and whatever. Yeah, there's some, yeah. And
Depends
according
upon
to
the
their
work,
work and
what
all, they are getting some amount, but it's not compulsory that they are
That
getting
they
this
will be getting paid.
stipend. Yeah.
What about Selville Lab? I heard something about there is a lab in Selville. You guys get internship in campus. You can work in that lab and you get paid for that.
Yeah, we have the mentorship of the Celebal itself, and the company also comes for the placement also, and we have a separate lab which is designed by Celebal itself,
Okay.
and there is another lab which is IBM, which is also designed by IBM itself, which is especially for business analyst students, and it is a very unique. If we talk about the environment, and every student gets their own PC on their table, plus the new technology smart board. It is very unique and it's very
Okay.
fascinating to see.
So when we discuss about PGDM, one thing that always comes in mind about international immersion program. So what about it in Lloyd?
So basically, it's a certification program with the International University of Malaysia, Mahasa University. We have
Mahasa.
Mahasa University in Malaysia. We have 3 days continuous lecture on different topics such as AI, and there are many entrepreneurship, and we get mentorship from the Mahasa University's best mentors. Also, we get a opportunity to explore Malaysia, and we also visit one factory. I cannot remember the name. It's a chocolate factory, plus there is another factory also. So it's wholly a new experience for us, and especially for the student who haven't been to another country. So it's a great
So the
opportunity.
trip was included in the fee, or you have to
No,
pay
it was all inclusive in our fee. Trip
Okay.
was inclusive in our
So let's talk about the fee. So please tell me about the fee of PGDM program that you guys are paying here.
So as I said, PGDM is divided into 5 major specialization, and every specialization and their fee is different. Talking about my course, my specialization, which is PGDM core, it is 6,80,000. Then you get the if you have given any exam cat or then
You can get scholarship
and
based
if
on
you
that
score
marks.
good in interview and all, and for talk about BA, it's around 7 lakh. For HRM, it's around also 7 lakh only.
BA for 740.
740, 750, and for
7 lakh.
and also we have digital marketing, which is around 9 lakh something.
Okay. So any other thing that you guys are getting in that fee, like laptop or and dresses?
Yeah, laptop
anything?
is also included in our fee.
Okay.
We get a decent laptop of I think Lenovo or Dell.
Dell, yeah.
I think we get Dell laptop, which is also included in our fee.
Okay. So the most important thing that any student want to know about is placements. So please discuss about placements, like what are the scenarios, major recruiters they are coming here.
So according to me, placement is up to the student.
Okay.
Students are getting placed like some of my seniors whom I know very by heart. They are getting placed by 11 LPA just right now. You can just even check the page of
Nice.
Lloyd. And they are getting very good payment also. Like obviously LPA, they are getting it. And yeah, for a specialization based like marketing and all, you are getting very good CTC.
CTC.
But for finance and HRM, it's more like 6-7 LPA, but it's still up to you.
Totally depends
So
on the
whatever, yeah.
specialization that you are choosing.
Yeah, it's up
Any
to the
major recruiters?
specialization.
You want to name any major recruiters, like companies that are mostly visiting, like HCL, Deloitte, KPMG?
They all are coming.
They all are
Yeah.
coming. Okay. So apart from studies, let's talk about some extracurricular activities like student clubs, fest, anything.
Okay, so we are having so many clubs. Like I
Okay.
think 6 to 7 clubs are there. We are participating in all the clubs. I think we are allowed to participate in all of them, but we have selected 2 3 clubs according to our needs. So if as I am interested in entrepreneurship also, I can
Okay.
choose entrepreneurship club. I am an HR student, so I have HR club also. There will be activities based on our club.
Your specialization.
Yeah, it's up to you. If you are not interested in your specialization
Usually.
only, you can choose a finance club also. So you can just go according to your way, whatever you
Okay, what
like.
about Fest? Like we know in
Fest,
Greater Noida
yeah,
we
there
get
are
lot
so many
of
fests.
fest.
Our freshers were so good. We have enjoyed a lot. Our freshers were so good. We are having our convocation right now. Just tomorrow, there will be a convocation.
Convocation.
And yeah, we are having good fest.
Okay, what about the
Things are
crowd?
good.
Like quality of students.
I think crowd of
You want
PGDM
to
is
add on
better.
anything?
Yeah, I don't.
Okay. The major reason why I chose Lloyd is because of the crowd. And crowd mattered mostly in the area like Greater Noida and Gurgaon.
NCR
And
is an
comparatively, the crowd of Lloyd is way better than the other universities or colleges either in Greater Noida or in Delhi
Actually, I
NCR.
totally agree
It's
on this
very
point.
good.
I have visited
And
almost every college of Greater Noida, and the students here are
and
absolutely
that
amazing,
is
guys.
solely because of the management and how the level of how they take in the students and the what is the level of the student that they are getting in, and also
They
the
are improving us. They are trying to skill up us.
yeah, obviously.
Okay, so we have already discussed about placements. So let's
Yeah.
discuss about something entrepreneurship. Like not every student want to get a job. Some of them
Yeah.
want to start their own company, own startup. So how Lloyd helps in that?
Actually, now you can pitch your product, you can pitch your business idea to the obviously teachers or mentor, whoever is provided to you. And then after, if your business idea is good, even Lloyd will help you to get the fundings. They will be helping you to meet the founders of company who will help you to get funding. And even there is some amount of funding which you will get by Lloyd also. So that is a thing which is
Like Lloyd is helping in
yeah,
entrepreneurship.
even they are providing the funding to students if they are having a good idea. So it depends on idea only.
Okay, any drawbacks you guys want to add on?
Drawbacks, which we can say, is if teacher left us in between, it's a very big drawback, which we can say. And
I think there is no major drawback according to me. As
But also any issue that you guys are facing, you want that
No,
it should be much better. Like it can improve a little bit. Anything?
we can say about timings, it's little hectic. Like we are having 1 hour 45 minutes of class, of single class,
Okay.
of that duration. And we are here from morning 9
What are class timings? Yeah, class timings.
morning 9:30 to evening 4:45.
4:45. It's hectic. But I think it's PGDM, so it have to be hectic.
So basically, they are preparing us for the corporate world and preparing us subconsciously to their timings and how we are supposed to perform.
So how
in the
Lloyd
company.
helps you in interviews? Like, do you guys have any special exams for that or any extra preparation?
Actually, Lloyd have hired different trainers, those who can train us for the interviews and those who help us for the interviews. And basically, they also refer us to the best companies they are getting in. And also, we have the separate training department for the students and for the mock interviews. Even before our interview, a month before we are interacting with our seniors, they have their mock interviews, GDs, and data interpretation tests. And there are many things which we get.
Okay, last point that I want to ask you, what was syllabus? Like you guys decided to go with PGDM instead of MBA. And I think this is important because of only syllabus.
Yeah.
So let's discuss something syllabus.
So honestly, it's not about the syllabus. It's about the other
No, I have
curricular
heard
things.
almost time that PGDM is more focused on practical things.
Yeah, that's the thing. It is not about the syllabus, but it is about the practical
point.
thing. Like we are getting the industrial visit more than the MBA department or any other department. We are getting some sort of privilege. Actually, we are getting that. I will be honest. So that is helping us. If we will talk about the syllabus, the accounting will be the same. If you have studied accounting in BCom, that will be same. Yeah, there are some differences, but if you will just think about what things are we going to study, it's kind of same. Economy will be economy only.
Always.
That can't be changed. Other than that, the things we are getting is like our skill enhancement session, our communication enhancement. I'm really sorry for that. Our skill enhancement session and other sessions which we are getting, there are some extra classes. We are having so many expert sessions. So I think in a single month we are having 2 or 3 experts who are coming to us.
Such a
and
nice thing.
Yeah, we are in seminar hall and we are listening to them. They are telling us about marketing. They are telling us about HR. So whatever knowledge you are required, they are providing you that. So it's about something which is other than your books. So we are getting some benefits which are not in our books. Books are same. Books will be same.
Same always.
But the other things, the mentorship and the people who are coming from the industry to just teach us, that's different.
Plus also there is an expert session every week, and the expert is so good. He is the man itself who has worked with Ambani's. So it's a great privilege, Mr. Anand Pillai. You can search it on Google. So it's a great privilege for us to get mentored by such a great man, such a great personality. We get to learn so much from him, and because how he's mainly a corporate trainer, so it is a great privilege to us, which is provided by Lloyd. I'm very grateful to that.
Okay, guys. So, any sort of advice that you guys want to give to your juniors who are planning to pursue PGDM, and they should choose Lloyd or not? Like anything you guys want to add on?
Okay, so the only thing which I would like to add on is when I was selecting Lloyd, it was about ROI.
Okay.
Whatever you are putting in the table, you are getting more than that. So obviously you can choose Lloyd. Other than that, a skill which is needed in everyone is just have a learning skill. It is not like whatever you are, they are there to groom you up, but you have to have a learning skill. That's it. Nothing else
Then
is
you will
needed.
get
If you are ready to learn new things, they are ready to teach you new things. That's it.
Anything you want to add on?
So basically, it's not about the college, it's not about the ROI. Focus on your confidence. And if I talk about Lloyd, I would say it is one of the best college in terms of crowd, in terms of placement, and also in terms of fees also. So basically, their fees is one of the lowest, and I would not say cheapest, but one of the lowest. It's very affordable, and
As compared to facilities, the fees
and
literally.
plus the return they are giving in terms of placement or also in terms of network with our seniors and the peer-to-peer connection with our all the student, almost 200 student, and plus with the mentors and with the expert is also that all these things comes under the ROI only. ROI not only means the
Placement, the amount
so
you are
basically
getting.
it's very good. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Anything you want to add? No. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for having me here and giving your time. It was really nice talking to you guys. I hope you guys get placed in nice company. Okay. Sure. Okay. Thank you so much.